Okay, what inspired you to establish iPhone Realty Solutions?
Okay. First of all, iFeel Realty Solutions is not only my business. We have a lot of businesses that I built before, but that business is failed. So one of my coach teach me on how to start the real estate and the brokerage firm, and that my mentor is suddenly died during the pandemic. So that's also my inspirations why I do I feel nor and to help also to other persons who are looking for a mentor or a coach in terms of the business.
That's a great story, sir. And in the last 2 years of running this business, what are the challenges you encountered?
Yeah. First, siguro during that first 2 years, actually 4 years of my business, I struggle a lot. First of all, because I'm the one who built the company from scratch. I'm the one who do selling, marketing, admin, documentations, and especially the commissions of my agent. And the biggest challenge here is how to settle the problem inside during the transactions with the client, with the buyers. That's also the after sales. So that's the hardest part of my starting of business. But eventually, because also I continuous learning and I study how the companies run the business. So eventually, I succeed or overcome that challenges and problems in the business.
Right. Sometimes we learn from those problems we have encountered. What do you think this company sets apart from other real estate?
Okay. So since I do before project selling and I discover or I experience the other realty, they are only focused on the brokerage and others realty are focused on the project selling. So what are the difference of the project selling and the brokerage? Project selling, if you are focused on the subdivisions, condominiums, memorial park, everything that is always have a project to sell. But the brokerage, if you focus on the lots or the properties that you are the one who scrutinize all the documents, the titles. After that, you also the one to transfer the title to your clients, and this a lot of headache if you do brokerage. So
Yes.
that's why sometimes ang mga client is or mga brokerage like my mga colleague in they don't want in the brokerage because kailangan ng may legal team.
Yes.
Kasi it involves legalities. So, dami dyan na hindi gusto pumasok and they are focused on the project selling. What are make difference from them? So, we create an ecosystem that every time we buy or we transact with iFilnor, everything is hassle-free. Because in the time you buy the property, our company has the one to scrutinize all the documents, the papers, and if we sell that papers or that property is already clean. So you have a peace of mind and
Yes.
you don't want to worry anymore. And secondly, if you are looking for the project selling, syempre ang iba, humahanap din ng mga property like in Iloilo and gusto nila na may mga bahay, subdivision na sila. So we also offer with them. We combine the brokerage and the project selling. And the good thing here in iFilnor is we focus on the land titling or the documentation process. And that's the difference with other realty. So here in iFilnor, we have a staff or admin that focus on the land titling. So you have a hassle-free transactions. And the good thing here, we build another services that can cater as well to the client na naghahanap din ng constructions. That's why we build a design and build. And we have right now technical persons that focus on the land, on the design and build alone. And they are happy. Actually, most of my clients are happy because we are different with other contractors. Why? Because we focus on the sustainable development. I am also an environmental planner. That's why I can put my knowledge on the design and build. And siguro yun yung different namin. And isa pa na gusto namin na i-serve ngayon, yun yung property management. And yun yung mga gusto natin na i-offer yung sa mga client na bumili na sa atin ng property and doon gusto nila maka-income din doon sa property na binili nila. So we build right now a property management to handle that kind of services. So I think and I believe that's the difference on other realty na wala kanila yung ginagawa namin. So that's the way I can identify our unique from other business.
Aside from the quality itself, it has already the complete package that
Yeah.
a client is looking for.
Yeah.